Actually, it might even be my bait. Oh, I got it.
Oh! Chatterbait. Another one.
Better one.
Show him to the camera. Dang, he's fat.
So brown.
Because these lily pads he's staying in, probably.
I was just trying to help so he can turn the boat.
Show him to the camera. Right, yeah, sort of. Good enough. About to skip up in there, bro. That looks tasty.
Trying to get my line.
Where's that fish at? There he was! See if he'll...
Where's that fish at? There he was!
No, there's still be a fish.
Get him!
No, no.
Seaweed?
It felt like a fight at first. No, it's a fish.
Oh, get him in!
I couldn't tell.
Off the chatterbait, bro.
It didn't
Nice
feel-
catch. Show the
It's
camera.
so warm.
Show the camera.
Warm.
Hey, show the camera. Got her. Yeah, she's been picking with me the entire time. And it is a girl. No, it's a bass. Whole time she's been picking with me. No, I'm throwing her back. Can't waste. No. Good fish. She is pregnant, definitely. Definitely pregnant. She was right there. I could see her bed, sort of, but I couldn't really tell. Maybe there's a male around. Yes, sir. She smacked the crawl. Going. Little tiny guy. But I got him on the buzzbait. Let's go. Let's go, buzzbait with a paddle tail, swim tail on it. Let's go. Got him. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is Keeping It Country, and make sure to like and subscribe. And this is Keeping It Country. God bless.